Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to apply for a business credit card through Twoguysfinance. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time on this one. Let's just get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is to go to Twoguysfinance website and click on business credit cards. And once you're there, you're gonna need to review the different business credit card options and just go with the one that best suits your business need. Once you find it, just click apply now, and you're gonna need to fill out the online application form. And with that form, you're going to need to provide the required documentation such as business financial documents and tax returns. Once you have that provided, just review and agree to the business credit card's terms and conditions. Be sure to read that carefully, and you're going to receive a business credit card decision. And if it's approved, you're going to need to review and sign the card agreement. And once that's done, you can activate your business credit card and start using it for business expenses. And you can also use Twoguysfinance online banking platform or mobile app to manage your business credit card accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a business credit card on Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.